Hi everyone, welcome. We are going to install Mutillidae II, which is a vulnerable web application located in this. When we search in Google, we'll be seeing this GitHub repository, and these are different directories and files that uh, are vulnerable, and we are going to clone it in our Mutillidae htdocs directory. For that, we will copy this, and I'm already running Mutillidae XAMPP server, and this is located in opt lamp, and this is the file manager. In my previous video, you already saw how we downloaded and installed and ran this manager Linux, and I'm still running it. This is the location, and we need to put all the application that we want to use XAMPP's database application web server here and database. So we're going to open a terminal here and copy the Mutillidae. So this is here, and in this directory itself I'll open a new terminal. I'll log in as root user. This is the path. I'll use the command git clone and clone Mutillidae here. I clone the files and folder located in GitHub. This is the path, and we're receiving objects, and it is done. So now we will go to Mutillidae. Here we have all the files required to run Mutillidae vulnerable web application actually. So now we are going to visit our local host. This is the default XAMPP, but we have to type that directory name here. Let's see, Mutillidae. I'm going to type Mutillidae, and it's let me open it in a new private window, and I'll open it here, and this is what we see. So here you can see appears to be offline, and there are some errors. You can see failed to connect MySQL database, access denied for root local with password ES, and this is the username and password. And that file is located, the config file. Yeah, here. Be sure the username and password to MySQL config is changed. Database config.inc. So where it's here. Configuration. Is it here or? Yeah, it's in includes actually, yes. So this is includes directory. We'll open and visit. And here we are looking for the file database config.inc, and now we are going to rename the password as none. We don't need any password, and then save to rectify the error. And we cannot change because we are not a root user. Least privilege, actually we are getting less privilege. For that we'll open a terminal here and try to we'll sudo. We'll just use sudo and then mousepad and then edit. This is the file database config.inc. And we are going to change this. So we'll change the password to none, actually no password, and save the file to rectify the error and close. So now we'll revisit this, try to refresh, and this time we are still getting error, failed to connect to database, unknown database. We'll try to set up a database again now, this time, and it says no PHP error were detected when resetting the. So we'll click OK, and now we have database has been rebuilt, and the version is 2.11.4, and these are the vulnerabilities. OWASP 2021 is not added yet. So we have OWASP, all the web security risk in web application present from 2010, 13 and 17, but not 21. But it's good, like we can practice different security risks in web application to make ourselves aware about the web application risks so that we can prevent. So in my upcoming video I will walk you through this. So the setup, installation and setup is successful, as you can see. Now if we visit Mutillidae again, yeah, so we are getting this. And sometimes if we have to reset the database, we can do that also, like after we practice or do or break the application due to the attacks that we will practice, then we can reset the database so that it's reset to the like fresh, I mean where no changes were made prior. So I'll just click on OK, and yeah, it's good to go. So thanks for watching this video.